Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the signature specification. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. The 7-inch touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 10,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.